So today is the 8th of October 2021. We have Pohjoisranta, Norrastranden, 22 stages here in Kruunuhagen, Helsinki and Sports Finland. And I have also been to the Stage A before it's published before. Hopefully we will also get to the Stage C here. And this is in Swedish and Finnish here as well. And the capacity is 3 persons or 240 grams. It's always been Kone, most when you have pictures. No, it's with folding doors, but still not bad. It's built in 1954, modernized in 1999. The serial number is H5615, probably modernized in late 1999. It turned 65 years old in 2019, number H turned 20 years old.
Yeah.
The buttons don't beep here. It has been inspected in 2023.
Yeah.
Could have had a floor kit inside, it doesn't
Of
have.
course, yeah. So probably one radius now.
Yeah, because of these folding doors.
Yeah.
And then it's too slow also.
Yeah.
But luckily it's not generic, so I think.
Yeah.
And you can see a little bit through the doors.
Yeah.
But still these folding doors were quite unnecessary.
Yeah.
Even though this is a 1990s model.
Yeah. But then it should have floor indicator, of course.
Yes, of course. We should have had this 7-segment one here.
Yeah. Spektiippa kiva iskuttaa, että meitä eteenpäin Suomi hissirakoita.
Yeah. And you can watch the Stage A here. Let's see if we can get to the Stage C here.
That's